Hey, good evening to you all. Welcome to Global Forex Academy. Learn how to trade. This is an exclusive lesson. This is an exclusive presentation for all of our exclusive Forex Trading Academy students. I'm so excited to talk to you today about financial management concerning Forex trading. So like I promised you before that I will be showing you my personal trades. I'll be showing you some of my positions that I took. So I've just designed a program whereby basically at least once a month or whenever how I see I do have time to do this, I will do it. I will post my personal positions, personal trades, and my personal account that I'll be trading for that particular time. I will do a video and I will post it at YouTube on our channel there. To you, all our students, this is to motivate all of you, to say to you, I'm also a student, in a Forex trading game, or should I say in a Forex trading industry. Even though you can hear people calling themselves Master Forex Gurus, they are calling themselves professional traders and so forth. But the reality is we are learning daily because we make losses daily and we make profits daily. See, if there was somebody who doesn't make a loss on the Forex trading market or in the financial markets, we can call that person a guru. Okay, but because even billionaires, even people who are making billions in the Forex market or in the financial market, they make losses. They make losses. Even these billionaires, they make losses on this financial market. So according to me personally, we all make losses, whether we are called gurus, masters, mentors, whatever. So what I'll be doing, I will be motivating you guys that even if you're making a loss, don't give up. Learn to trade daily. Okay, even I am still learning to trade daily. I'm discovering some new trades, positions, strategies that I can take, and I'm practicing those strategies on a daily basis, just to see whether, or not even on a daily basis, whenever I'm trading, I will try to practice those particular strategies to see whether I will increase my profitability and things like that. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be sharing with you my personal trades that I took. It is not to boast, it's not to brag, but it's just to say to you, sometimes we make money in the Forex industry, sometimes we lose money in this financial market, trading your assets, be it commodities, CFDs on stocks, futures, commodities, Forex, currencies, be it cryptocurrencies, whatever that you'll be trading, you will make loss at other points, or at other times you will definitely make a loss. So now, these trades that I'll be sharing with you, they were taken during the course of this week. Okay, so I want you to learn what I did here. This is another lesson to share with you how to trade and become profitable, even though you're making losses. But the bottom line is you will still becoming profitable. Okay, I welcome you all to the MFMG group. This is a financial management group. All these previous companies that I've mentioned, the Exclusive Forex Academy and the Global Forex Academy, they all belong to the MFMG group, which is a financial management group where we teach people about finances. If you want to know about how to manage your finances, you can contact us there. We will talk to you through that. Okay, let's read our risk disclaimer. I'm just gonna keep quiet for a couple of minutes and you read it for yourself. There you go. Just gonna enlarge it again. Okay, there you go. Okay, thank you. Let us continue now. What you are looking at here, it is my account. Okay, this is my personal account. The balance there is 94, 415.11, and the equity is 92. 910.32. Margin is 88,836.30, and margin level, the percentage is 2280.56, and the margin again is 407408.02. So this account stands at 94,415.11. I took a position on the euro and the US dollar. This was a pair that I chose. And let me just check there. Okay, I didn't. Okay, sorry about that. I was checking the time frame. I forgot which time frame is this, but I think it's an 1 hour chart frame. Okay, I chose this pair because the euro and the US dollar, it is one of those major currency pairs that you can rely on every time when you trade. You know what I mean? Because this currency pair is high in volatility. You know what I mean? You make money, you lose money in this pair. Okay, so I chose it and I entered the trade at about 1.14 to 13, and I took a sell position and I used the 1 lot size. Okay, this is a 1 lot size. So my advice to you is this: if your account has less than $100 in it, my advice will be don't use a 1 lot size. Rather use 0.50 lot size. And when you build that $100 to become at least $250, then you can add that 1 lot size. But again, 1 position at a time. Enter 1 position, and if you win that position, close it. Okay? And always put a stop loss. You know, when I trade personally, I don't put a stop loss. I only take profit whenever I'm busy. If I know that I'm opening a position and I'll be busy for that day, then definitely I take a stop loss position there. But usually I don't put, so that I take profit, I don't put a stop loss. Sorry about that. Whenever I know I'm going to be busy, I take profit, I don't put a stop loss. And when I will be available for the trade, I will open a trade from the beginning and I will close it at the end. I will be monitoring that position all the way through. I don't put the stop loss and I don't put take profit. That's how I trade. Okay, definitely that's how I trade. I know it sounds crazy, and I've lost a lot of money with this strategy, but I practiced it from the demo account. I practiced I practiced it from the small account of a lot size of 0.01. You know, a balance of about $5, $10, $2. I've practiced this system, so it works for me. Okay, and I'll give you the secret behind what do you do there not to blow your account. So if you have an account of $100, don't put a lot size of 1. Go to 0 plus something. You know, don't just go to 1. Don't enter a bigger lot size like this, because it will wipe your account out. If you can notice there, look at my trade. Look at my position is at the minus point of 1,000.504. You know, I'm in a loss of 1,504.79 cents. So you must understand, if you had an 100 account balance and you took a 1 lot size, your account would be blowing with this just 1 trade. Okay, so that is an example there, that if you don't have a bigger account, don't put a big lot size, put a small one. So if I have chosen to trade with a lot size of, let's say, 0.01, this year could have been about 1 cent loss, or $1 loss, or 1 rand loss, not 1,000, or 100 loss, not 1,000. But because I threw a 1 lot size, now I'm at 1,000 loss. Okay, that's another tip off that I will give you when you trade. Don't do that. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm losing this trade, but because I know what I'm doing, instead of scalping, I was scalping. So what I did, I switched the scalping system into a swing system. But you must understand, when you are scalping, don't use a chart frame of about 30 minutes to 1 hour and monthly and daily. It will kill you, because it will reach the point where you will make profit after a very, very, very long time. But sometimes it can give you a profit immediately, But when you scalp, use a small time frame like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute, okay? But here, I've just took a long swing trade for hours. I was working on this trade. So there it is. Eventually, it turned into a profit, and I won this trade. But though, if I decided to close this trade, if I had put a stop loss here, what could have happened? Probably the stop loss could have been hit, and this trade could have closed at a loss. But then, since I have a strategy that I use, which I will share with you privately, not here publicly, that strategy enables me not to close a trade with a loss. I mean, I've heard other traders like those who call themselves master traders. I've heard them talking about this system, and I said they are crazy. There's no such a thing. A loss is a loss. You close it. But I've learned that it is your responsibility, it's your choice if you close a position at a loss. It is definitely your choice. That position you can wait for it to turn into a profit, but you need a bigger balance, okay, for you to hold on until that position turns into a profit. So right about now, when I took this trade, my balance was at 94,000. Okay, notice that 94,450. Okay, now at the end of the day, when I closed the account was at 166 and 100,666 from 94, and I'm talking about literally one day. So you can calculate how much profit did I hold in here. How much profit did I put in 94.41511 to make a total of 666. Okay, look at this. This is how I worked it. My first position was a loss of 557.82, which this trade was closed by mistake anyway. But later on, I took another position around past 2, which the first position was taken around 2-1. Then I came back, let's say 30 minutes later, and I opened, 1 hour later, I came back, opened the position, and I closed it at about 872. This was the take profit. So should I have been monitoring this position, I think I would have closed it close to about 1,000. So the second position from the first position, which was a profit, which I took same time frame, same period, was 993.23. That was a profit. That was a take profit also. And again, the third one was at 1,038.37, which was also a take profit system. So what I did here was, whenever I analyze the market, both technical and fundamental, sometimes I don't get the chance to check my fundamental news, so I depend on the chart. Use what we call price action. So after I analyze the chart, have checked my indicators, and I'm definitely comfortable with the trade, then I take 3 positions at the same time. I duplicate the system 3 times, same size lot. As you can see, it is all one lot size, and I took same currency pair. So that is another strategy. Don't confuse your brain by looking at other currencies, trying to add your profit, trying to increase your profit, adding other currencies, and trying to do what we call double entry system with different types of pairs. If you are comfortable with one pair, if you show that I have opened a 1 hour chart frame, I have analyzed the market, both fundamental and technical, and I checked my indicators, and I'm certain that this is a buy position, you can put a higher lot size and also take more positions, duplicate your position. Wayne usually takes about 12 to 14 positions when he opens a trade, same pair, 14 one size lot, and he makes huge profits. You know what I mean? So I learned that system from him actually. So what I did was to take at least 3, because my account size is small. It's not like his. His is $1 million account system. So mine is just 100,000. So what I do is that I take 3 positions same time, higher lot size, because I am comfortable that I'm going to win this trade. Okay, so I put a stop loss if I'm not comfortable, and I put a take profit if I'm not sure. But when I'm sure, I don't put a stop loss, I just take profit and I enter the position just like that. So here you can see that the first 3 positions that I took were all at the same time. Look at that, 14 12 14 12 14 12. After that one I've lost. The first one that I lost was 12 32, you know. So I came back around 14 12, same date. All of these trades are all done in the same day, and that's the profit that I took. Look at that, 14.12 14.12 14.12, 3 simultaneously. So in this particular day, I only took how many positions? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 positions. And you can see that I traded only 3 times on that day. I traded only 3 times. The first trade that I took was this one of 12.32, which I closed at the loss by mistake anyway. That is minus 557.82. That was around 12.32. An hour later, I came back, opened 3 positions at the same time. You know, then from there I went away, took profit, came back about we can even say about two hours later. I came back, okay, and then opened 3 positions at the same time again, and I took those 3 positions at the profit. Okay, look at the other group of trades that I took. 1636. Look at that, 1636, 1636, 36. 745.82 profit, 626.68 profit, 626.68 profit. I took them all. Okay, one day, just 1 hour and 2 hour apart from my position, initial positions. And I didn't even take 1 hour to analyze this chart. If I might tell you the truth, I was actually busy working. And I just took time to go out there and analyze the market, simply as like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 minutes, probably 5 minutes I was entering these positions. After just analyze the market, 5 minutes I'm entering the position, and then I closed it and I went back to work, and that's the profit that I got. So what I'm trying to say to you is this: know your story, know what you're doing, be dedicated, because what I said to myself before I started trading was, I want something that will make me money. I want something that I can make money with and enjoy it and be happy at the same time. And I found it. So what I do is, whenever I trade, whatever that I do, I'm always happy. You know what I mean? Don't ever trade when you are sad. Okay, don't ever open the chart and try to analyze and try to open positions and try to make sense of trading platforms when you are not happy, when you are sad, or you are heartbroken, and or you are mad, you are angry, or whatever. Don't trade, because you will blow up your account. Okay, you will analyze things wrong, you will see things wrong, and later on you'll be, swearing at yourself and cursing yourself. Okay, sorry about that. So look at the first group of trades that I take. This is a grouping of this. Like I said, the first trade was taken at 12.32, and then the third last trade, those three trades that I took afterwards, they were done at 14.12. The 3 of them, as you can see, the time proves it for me. And this is a real account, as you can see there at the corner, but treated as a demo account at the same time. So now here, I'm practicing the strategies that I have, and at the same time, I am trading live. Okay, so it's like a demo and a live account at the same time, because whenever I get a strategy, I have to practice it here. I have to see it working on this particular account here. Okay, so the bottom line is this: Here's the strategy that I have, and there are the profits. And I've just made a whopping 4.345.979 within this time frame. So if I can show you my other accounts with bigger numbers in it, you will not believe that it's possible for somebody to make 100,000 within 10 minutes or within one day. You will literally say it is not true. This is a scam. There's no such a thing. But I'm just proving to you by this account only. The total that I made for the whole day was 4.34579, and earlier on it was 2.34661. Okay, this were the trades that I took, and this is another group of trades that I took before this actual ones. As you can see, the other one, they are on the 9th, 12.27. I took 3 trades again before that break even. Up there you see 12.27, 436, 430, sorry, 439, 439, 467. Again, I did the duplicate entry system, the duplication of entry system. 3 trades at the same time, knowing that I'm feeling comfortable. And then here I took 4 trades. Sorry, no, it's three trades, and they are the other ones that I've talked about. So about that, I'll show you the other trades that I took on the 9th. The date there is on the 9th, not the 14th. Okay. Yeah, most definitely. Thank you very much for allowing me to show you our trades. Basically, these trades are just for you privately. Don't share this with anybody. Just for you, our students, those who like me to teach them how to trade. I was just showing you the strategy that I can show you. But you know what? To you, all of our students, as you know, most definitely you will be paying for us to teach you. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. I mean, in life, if I offer you free things, I will not give you the best. But knowing that you paid for it, I will give you the best. And I'm an entrepreneur also. That's how I make another means of money. Yes, some people said, you don't need money. Why do you charge people? Why do you even working? And I say, what, as a trader, it doesn't mean that you have money. Yes, you do have money. But at the end of the day, money is money, man. I don't know how can I explain. I have people who have asked me to say, why don't you teach us for free? Why do you want us to pay you 10,000, 15,000, 20,000? And I literally say, it is a business. Let's say, for example, I trade and I have offices to pay rent for. I have people to pay, which are administration staff. I have to pay them, and I have to pay them through trading. That simply means I have to focus only on trading and not teach people how to trade. You understand it? So what I did was simply, if I open the business side of teaching people how to trade, I must make money there. And when I go and literally trade, I must make money there. So basically, our classes, they run for 3,600 rands. And then we have package A. Package A is 3,600 rands. And then package B will be around, okay. Sorry, I'm being told I made a mistake there. Package A is 1.6, okay? Package B is 3.6, and then package C runs to 6,400, okay? So all these packages, they have elements attached to them. They have strategies attached to them. So the one of 1,600 is a scalping strategy, but you can make money. I've seen people scalping, even I myself, when I was scalping certain demo accounts and live accounts, before I blew them off later on, stopping scalping, I was making profits, So scalping definitely makes money, I don't want to lie. And the second one will be the swinging positions, but they have a different type of a strategy attached to them. And the 6,000 one is definitely having 4 strategies attached to it. You scalp, you swing, you invest in it, so that's the way it is. So it's about 1.6, 3.6, and then 6.4, the last one. So if you like us to work with you privately, but for now I'm not taking people privately, and yet for now our offices are not opened. And then what we do is we do this through videos, okay, videos like this. And again, I have uploaded some few videos just basics in J, not real core stuff, just basics, just to give you a hint of what is forex, what can you expect, what do you do. I have loaded videos on our YouTube channel of for exclusive forex trading academy. That is our channel, the exclusive forex trading our academy. You find it on YouTube. You can see our videos there, and you can download them and watch them. This video also is also downloaded there. But I'm a bit skeptical to post this video there. But anyway, because of business reasons, let us do it. Thank you very much for joining me. See you next.